Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet at the bottom. Then click on device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. So misclick. When you finished, click on rename in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!